Today's topic is a brief introduction to Moulana Illyas Kandhalvi, the person who started the Tablighi movement or the Tablighi Jamat. And 45 years ago, in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, he was born in 1302 Hijri. He did his bayat with uh, Rashid Ahmed Gangohi. He was co-founder of Darul Uloom Deoband. Darul Uloom Deoband was founded by Maulana Qasim Nanatawi and Rashid Ahmed Gangohi. Qasim Nanatawi died in 1879. That means within 10 years of the foundation of Darul Uloom Deoband. But this person, Rashid Ahmed Gangohi, he was the in charge of Darul Uloom Deoband for about 30 years. He died in 1908. He was a Sufi and he did his bayat in four silsilas: Naqshbandi, Saharwardi, Chishti, and Qadri. Kandhalavi used to stay in isolation for days and weeks and months together in the grave of Nur Muhammad Badayuni. His food and everything used to come from home, but he used to stay by the side of the grave of Nur Muhammad Badayuni. And once in a while, he used to go to the grave of Abdul Quddus Gangohi, the person who died in 1537 CE. To do Chishti Muraqaba. That means he used to chant Allahu Hazri, Allahu Nazri. Close friend of Hakimul Ummat Ashraf Ali Thanvi, and actually he started this Tablighi movement to spread the teachings of his friend Ashraf Ali Thanvi. Both died in nearly the same year. One died in 1943, the other one died in 1944. Illyas Kandhalvi claims that in a dream he was asked, he got a new meaning to the ayat, that is, Kuntum khayra ummatin ukhrijat linnas. So by that he means that Allah has instructed him to get up and do something. Ukhrijat, that means Allah is commanding him. So that means you are the best nation for the mankind and those things. That is Surah Al Imran ki ayat hai, a ayat from Al Imran. Moulana Illyas and unki dini dawat, it is written that when he died, Rasul Akram was waiting for him along with his companions for the arrival of his ruh, and all the gates of the heavens were opened for him. I don't know all the nonsense, all those things. Anyway. And actually, this Tablighi Jamaat, if you read their books and this thing, it is nothing but for the revival of the Sufism. They don't have anything to do with Islam. Especially if you read their books, that is Arwah Salasa, Tarikh Mashayikh Chisht, Akabrin Ka Suluk wa Hisan. I have all these books, and Fazalul Amal, all the Sufi stories and mythological stories. May Allah save us from these Sufi deceptions. Ameen.